Magento is an open-source e-commerce platform that enables online merchants to create and manage their online stores. It offers a flexible and customizable solution for businesses of all sizes, with a vast range of features and functionalities to meet various business needs. Magento's user-friendly interface, scalability, and SEO-friendly design make it a popular choice for online retailers. Its extensive library of extensions and themes also allows for easy customization and integration with third-party services. Overall, Magento is a powerful commerce solution that provides merchants with the tools they need to grow their online businesses. Here is a high-level, step-by-step guide to creating an online store using Magento. 1. Download and install Magento. Go to the official Magento website and download the latest version of the software. Follow the installation instructions provided by Magento to install it on your web server. 2. Configure your store. After installation, log into your Magento admin panel and configure your store settings, such as your store name, address, and contact information. 3. Add products. Create product categories and add products to each category. You can add product details, images, prices, and inventory levels. 4. Set up payment and shipping methods. Configure the payment and shipping methods you want to offer your customers. Magento supports a variety of payment gateways and shipping carriers. 5. Customize your store design. Choose a theme or design template that matches your brand and customize it to fit your needs. You can also add custom CSS or HTML to further customize the look and feel of your store. 6. Enable SEO features. Optimize your store for search engines by enabling SEO features such as URL rewrites, meta tags, and XML sitemaps. 7. Test your store. Before launching your store, test it thoroughly to ensure everything is working properly. Check out as a customer to make sure the checkout process is smooth and the products are being delivered correctly. 8. Launch your store. Once you're satisfied with everything, launch your store and start promoting it through social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract customers. Remember that creating an online store using Magento requires some technical knowledge and expertise, so it may be helpful to consult with a Magento developer or agency for assistance if you're not familiar with the platform.